Once again, I'm rolling with Press and Luna. We headed to, was it Parque? Is it Parque? Or?
I would call it downtown Plaza Botero.
Plaza Botero. So we get to see the big statue, the world famous statue.
Fernando Botero.
Fernando Botero, there it is. So, yeah. Stop paying attention for a second, we're already here, folks.
Especially at night.
Yeah,
you won't see me over here at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get in and get out.
During the day is okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes they give respect to the strangers, to the, you know.
They give respect?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes, yeah, they try not to.
That's good. That's good for tourists. Huh?
Yeah, totally.
All right.
We'll go straight to the
All right. Oh, he put us right here, didn't he?
right here.
Cool. Man, I wasn't even recording. I don't know for how long, but hey, I hope I got some of that. Yeah. Even New York don't seem like this. I don't know. Maybe this.
Fast pace.
Yeah, just chaotic. Like.
See how if you ain't paying attention, like
Yeah.
it go down. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
But honestly, in the daytime, usually I would see more tops than this, but even then, you know,
Right.
it's pretty decent.
Right. We walk on the sidewalk or get off the.
Okay.
What's the size translation here? I say like double XL. Is that like a large in American size, or is it pretty much the same?
To me, it's like anywhere else, even in the States. If you notice, like some stores you go to, you get a medium, but it's really a small.
Right.
You know. So
Yeah.
same deal.
Okay.
You kind of just gotta hold it up and kind of eye it.
Trying to walk slow and steady so my footage come out all right.
Se fue para un diciembre, imagínense ustedes, lo sacaron para un diciembre, hermano. Lo dijimos, ay, pero ¿cómo se para un diciembre?
Yeah, I don't want to get y'all facts and
Me
stuff.
ofrecieron mucho dinero.
Ah.
Solo decirlo, yes. Se la llevó la peleona, pero verdad que se no estaba.
Just tap me on the shoulder if I'm going the wrong way or something. But pretty cool.
Tiene bodegas, tiene van a mirar.
Okay. Oh, gracias. ¿Dónde es baño? El baño.
¿A dónde?
Gracias.
Míralo. Nena, ahí adelante.
This place is a maze. Okay. Gracias. Hold on.
Well, lies. There is law, but they over there guarding the station. They ain't over here in the street.
Right. I'll be trying to make sure ain't nobody tracking us like balls. Yeah. I definitely would be carrying myself a whole lot different if I was solo. You ever watch Lost the Block? He's always talking about getting crazy drone shots. He said sometimes you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. He said sometimes not. trying out this for the first time.
Okay. I see what you mean. I ain't do this in a minute.
Not bad, y'all. It's quick tape. Not smooth, I thought would be though. Oh shit.
What's up?
Dude with the shotgun outside the bank. No, we saw lines to get in the bank, Bank of Colombia. They had two security guards. One had a big ass chrome shotgun. Yeah. And he looked twitchy too.
Gotta make one step.
He sprayed the whole goddamn crowd.
A lot of these banks, like they hire their own product.
Luna be on it though. We didn't get money, or you all want to try it? Let's see.
No, the problem is we will have to recharge it and look at the line.
That's what I was wondering. That's what I was asking.
Yeah,
I knew that
it's rush hour. It's crazy.
it looks like it's moving. I wish Cali wasn't so jacked up right now. I had to go check it out.
Yes, unfortunately, man. I only went there once, you know, for a couple of, like a week or two. Pretty nice.
Gracias.
Now, if you're for tourists, yeah, let's not hold it in front. I don't want to draw no attention. But yeah,
I'm not local.
The car right there to the left, guys, this green one, is the one that they give the Colombians and they give the tourists for the little high. They get a tourist the silver ones. So.
So we're at the El Centro station. About to head back to our neighborhood. God, dog. People are tracked. Claustrophobic. Glad I got my mask.
We gotta go upstairs.
Oh, do we? Oh,
Yeah.
There we go.
We're gonna take the elevator. All these stations that you're seeing right here, guys, this is what it takes.
Lord of mercy. Wow. Everybody trying to get out of downtown now. Wow, this is like some Tokyo type stuff.
Pretty much everybody here probably works similar things.
Pure madness, but we got to get on this thing.
Lead to the same train, which is the one that we're leaving right now.
Buenas noches, bienvenidos a nuestro metro. Este tren se dirige a la estación San.
I do it just in case I need some.
Yeah. Afro-Colombians, beautiful skin tones. Salida. That's not a bad trip at all. Okay.
I might watch it.
All right.
What you think about it though?
It's cool.
Cool.
Yeah, I feel more at ease every.
though.
You don't never know what to
You
expect.
never do.
Yeah.
But based off of what you see in the videos, you got an impression of this and this.
Yeah, I feel a lot safer than I thought I would.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. But, you know, being that I'm with y'all, it kind of, you know.
But like I say, as you can see, as long as you moving kind of like smart, like the same principles back home,
Right.
no problem.
Yeah. I thought, you know, I'm thinking like somebody be like, hey, he's speaking English, and we follow me. But that isn't the case or hadn't been the case. I think it's a foot pump, like a little foot pump. Yeah. It's like, you get this water, but you're going to have to work for it. All right, foot pump back. Cool.
If you want to check how many money you have in your card, you can use that money.
Okay. I don't need it now, but I'll do it next time. Thank you. You scared stairs, boy. You tumble down. That's your ass.
Bueno, salud.
Salute. A nice little drink after a long day. Stroll around El Centro. Yeah, good exercise. I needed it.
Cardio.
Good times, y'all. Good time. Preston's been looking out for me big time since I've been here. Been showing me around.
I'm looking crazy today, y'all. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Crazy hospitality is what he got. So I don't know how much longer he's gonna be here, but I would book a tour with him if you can. Just hit him up on Instagram.
Consultation. If I'm not here, you guys are interested in a consultation with some information, safety aspects, or whatever you want to pick my brain, you can contact me on my YouTube channel. Leave a comment or hit me on the Instagram, Prestigious Physique, same as the channel.
Already. He's put me up on so much game and just how to move around, how to interact with people, what to do, what not. You know, sometimes I'll be out there wilding with the camera. He'll be like, hey, Strill, put it down. I'm like, oh, okay. So definitely got some good info. So y'all check him out. And we about to get our little grub on and relax for the night. It's just Wednesday, y'all, in the week. I live a block away from this block, well, this street, and it never sleeps. So if you're a light sleeper, you definitely don't want to be too close to La Cintinta because they will have you up all night. That's it, y'all. I'll catch y'all more with y'all. Got enough chalk on that thing, man?